Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to customize your iPhone home screen. Here's how to use widgets and custom apps icons to make your iPhone's home screen stand out. Even though everybody else also owns an iPhone, you can still make yours stand out from the crowd. We'll show you how to customize your iPhone home screen. A widget is a light version of an app that displays information and lets you interact with it directly on the home screen. You can customize your iPhone home screen with widgets for almost every stock Apple app and a growing selection of third-party apps. To add one, tap and hold in a blank space on your iPhone home screen to enter jiggle mode. In the top corner, tap the plus icon to view your available widgets. Search or scroll through the selection to find the widget you want. After selecting a widget, swipe left and right to the view different version of it, and then tap Add Widget. Drag and drop to move the widget around your home screen, just like you would with any other app. You can even drop it on another widget of the same size to create a widget stack. And last, tap Done or click the Home button to exit jiggle mode. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.